Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got my oil pan today, and just a Summit $160 oil pan, but this is the proper way it would go on the engine. This is the back of the engine right now, and this would be the front. It's missing everything, so it's just a plain bare block, okay? So, $160 oil pan. Now, in the Infiniti G35, it would have to be front sump. So if it's front sump, it would have to be something like this, okay? So this would be the front sump, the way it would go in the Infiniti, okay? Of course, you can't do this, it's backwards totally. But what if we could leave the bottom like this and move this sump to the front? I have an idea how I'm going to do it. Something that I've been thinking of when I was looking at oil pans, because I looked at a bunch of them. And I think it could work. I really do. I have this idea of how I'm going to do it. So I got to cut it and then show you guys what I'm thinking. And I think it'll work. I really do. And if any of you guys are asking about, wondering this car behind me, this is my Firebird. I've had it for 29 years. I've had it in storage for 7 or 8 years now, and I'm thinking of selling it. Just because I don't think I'm going to get around to it another 7 or 10 years. And I always hated that person that you go to his house and try and buy a car, and they would tell you, no, we're going to fix it. And then 30 years later, now it's still sitting in that yard and rotting away. And I just feel, I mean, it kind of hurts to sell it, but I think that's what I'm going to do with it. You know, I'm really into this Infiniti, and I think, you know, for me to get a suspension in this car, like that Infiniti G35, it'd probably be 10 grand. You're looking at a $7,000 front clip from Detroit Speed and Engineering, and their rear end kit, their 4-link, is probably another 4 or 5 grand. So for you to get, but I've had it a long time. I think I'll give you guys a look at it just so you guys could see. I've had it forever. I started to put a 454 out of a 1990 Suburban, and like anything else, life happens, and you know. But overall, it used to be 93 Viper Red. Got some 17-inch wheels. Got some rollers in the front just for right now, but I got the wheels that go with this. Like I said, I've had it forever. Just a quick look at it. But here's the inside of it. Oh man. I just don't want it to sit here another 10 years, you know what I mean? Because I've been doing so many other projects over the years, and I've just got a 700R4 for it. It's got a turbo 350 just for that big block in there, but who knows, maybe I'll keep it. Not sure. You know, my daughters are getting older. I'm paying for braces. I'm paying for dance classes and Muay Thai classes, and you know, just you get through life and something just get more important than something that you had for so long. But hey, back to the oil pan. I'm gonna stop filming right now, and then I'm gonna see if I can't cut it tonight and maybe tack weld it together and film again and have another video uploaded so you guys could see the idea that I'm thinking about. But like I said, this is the way it go in any truck, or even in this. If I put this LS motor in my Firebird here, in any Camaro, it would go this way. We need it to go this way on the Infiniti without anything on the bottom changing. I think I can do it. But hey, let's see what we can do here. This is cut now. Okay. Now, what I want to see if I can do, this goes this way right here. That's how it's going to bolt down right there. See that? Okay. Now I want to see if I can weld it. So I want to get this, and now this is the way it's supposed to be. Now I want to see if I can weld it this way. Have this bottom frame the way it's supposed to go, flip the oil pan around and weld it this way. I mean, I think it would work. It wasn't easy to get this tape here and guide it, but this is the way the bottom should be. Every hole lines up. Every hole. I said it's missing parts here. It's missing parts here. But this is the way. And right here on the 2004 to 2006 GTO, the oil pickup is in the front. You can buy that oil pan. It might work for the G35 maybe, but I think the pickup will work with this pan this way if we welded it like this. That oil pan's $600 also, $566 through GM. So, but you guys have the idea of what I'm trying to do here. I think this is going to work. I really do. And I already checked in the G35. This front sump right here, we might have to mess with the motor mounts to move the engine a little forward, a little backwards. I'm not sure, but I think this will work. I really do. I really do think this will work. But anyways, I'm going to get back on this, and then, like I said, if this is the end of this video, like I said, I might add to it, or oil pan, LS, G35. I think it'll work. I really do. Alright, thanks guys. Hit the like button. Please subscribe.